So checkpoint number 2 is going to deal with the group of animals called the fish. And on this checkpoint, you will actually be doing three things. Once again, we'll start with a video. We'll begin the video in class, and you will take notes this time by answering the video questions on the worksheet about fish. So you'll have this worksheet here on fish. This is just a copy of it. You should have the hard copy in your manila folder that we put together. And as we go through the video, you're going to just write down your answers under each question as they answer it throughout the video. Now, instead of turning in the video to me, since I don't take paper, what you will do is you will photograph each page on the worksheet, and you will insert those pictures. Again, you'll insert picture from file onto your OneNote page. So this has, it looks like 2 pages. Your name not only has to be on the front, but it also needs to be on the second page. You must have your name on every page when you turn in the photograph. So it's just the photograph that I grade for that particular assignment in the checkpoint. The next assignment will be a diagram on the different groups of fish. It will be colored just like you did with the first 2 diagrams in checkpoint number 1. The thing about this one, of course, is that when you're finished, you're going to insert that photograph into this cell on your OneNote page, and then that's the only thing I'm grading is the photograph. You must remember that on the diagram you should already have your name on it, because I had you write those down on the first day when we gathered up all of this and put the packet together. But make sure your name is on that paper, so when you photograph it, I see your name on it. If I don't see your name, then it won't count. The last assignment that you'll see, and I have created a separate video instruction detailing it, will be a research assignment that you go through and now research these different organisms. So just as a review, and again, that's also in this video here that I have that you can watch, you will be, for each group of fish called classes, you will be finding a picture and of a representative of that class or group, and I also need to know its common name. Okay, and then you're going to give me 3 characteristics from your research of something about that class. Okay, so you're going to have 3 facts about the group called Agnantha, and then similarly for the osteocytes and chondrocytes that are listed here. So that would then conclude this project. You could then, make sure I would check off things as I'm finishing them so that I know, okay, checkpoint 2 is finished. I can submit it now in Summit to be graded. But again, what I'll be looking for is photographs of your completed worksheet. Now, do not throw away that worksheet after you photograph it, because if something's wrong and you need to re-photograph it, you'd need to have the worksheet. If not, then you'd have to re-watch the video and get the answers and all that fun stuff. And again, the video is on your computer, so you can watch it at your leisure. We'll start it in class on the first day of this checkpoint, and then we'll move on. The diagram, again, don't throw it away after you color it, because if something's wrong with the photograph or it didn't come through on my end, you'd have to retake it, and you don't want to have to recolor it. This will be, the research is always going to be totally done on your OneNote page. So I hope this helps.